In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start creating in GarageBand for iOS with one single tap. Whether you want to open a project that you're already working on, start a brand new recording, or work with a fresh Live Loops grid, you can jump right into GarageBand without even actually opening the app. I know, it sounds mad, but bear with me. On your iPad or iPhone's home screen, find the GarageBand app icon, and instead of tapping it like you usually would to open the app, instead press and hold on it. Two menus will pop up that give you loads of options. The menu at the bottom here allows you to select from your most recent projects. Just tap on one and it'll open right back up for you. In this other menu, you can hide the app, which will remove it from your dock, though it will still be visible in any widgets you have that include it, or you can remove it altogether. You can have the app require Face ID in order to open, so if you're worried about someone peeking at your Beats or something, you can set this up and only you will be able to open the app. You can share the app to another person via AirDrop, through messages, and all other usual sharing options. And you can edit your home screen from this menu if you want to. The next options, though, are the most interesting. You can select to reopen the most recent project you were working on with this option. You can also create a new audio recording with this option. This opens GarageBand up into a new project with an audio track loaded up. All you have to do is hit record and you can capture whatever you want right away. Super handy for when inspiration strikes and you just want to record an idea, melody, or vocal line ASAP. You can select this option to create a new Live Loops song, which opens a fresh, blank Live Loops grid for you, which you can dive into and start messing with immediately. And you can also create a new track song, which takes you directly to the instrument menu, where you can select a track type and start working in a traditional linear GarageBand project right away. Incredibly handy if you want to jump into GarageBand as soon as possible. This is a feature I don't see a lot of users using or talking about really. Let me know if the one-tap technique is something that you currently use or something you plan to use in the future down in the comments, and give that like button a good hard slap on your way past. I really appreciate it and it helps more people see this video. And for another tasty wee GarageBand for iOS tip, watch this next.